Hi everyone, let's see how to create an Access JD in NurtureBox. So I'm right now on the personalized JD page on the dashboard. So you can come here by clicking on the personalized JD option on the left navigation panel. I already have one JD created, so I'm going to show you how to create a new one. So you can just click on create JD. You have a blank space to work. So I have an opening for account manager. The company is going to be NurtureBox. So I'm just going to keep it as such to show you how this works. So I'm going to add the company link. The location is going to be Chennai. Company logo, you can just come and search for your specific company and you can add a link to apply. So in the detailed job description, you can either add the JD itself or you can just give a description. You can just copy paste, you know, the job description that you have, and you can just simply click on create job post and your JD will be created. I'm going to show you how this reflects to the candidate, right? So I'm going to use sales lead as the example. So I've given all the necessary details required. So you can either share the JD directly from here by clicking on share JD and add the candidate's name. So I'm going to add the candidate's name here and click on confirm, and it's going to give me a very specific link made for the candidate I've added. So you can see personalized JD created, and I have the message as well that I can use. So I can either copy the text or I can copy the URL alone. This URL is already pasted in the text, so I'm just going to use the URL and show you how this looks. So it says, "Hey Abhinay Balasubramanian, what to know more about the role?" And you can see all of the details that you've added, and you also have an apply now option to apply for this particular job. So you can also use this particular JD template in your LinkedIn messages as well as your WhatsApp messages as well. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.